Freediving is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years, with evidence of freediving dating back to ancient civilizations like the Greeks, Romans, and Polynesians. Freediving can have physiological benefits such as improving lung capacity, reducing stress, and increasing oxygen efficiency in the body. Some marine animals, such as whales, sea turtles and dolphins, are natural freedivers and can hold their breath for extended periods of time while diving to great depths. Unlike scuba diving, which uses tanks of compressed air, freediving relies solely on the diver's ability to hold their breath while diving to various depths. Freediving is not just for extreme athletes, it can also be a peaceful and meditative experience, with some practitioners using it as a form of mindfulness practice.